What's going on, guys? Dami here again, and by popular demand, I'm gonna be going over all my mods that I've done to my car. Now, I have not done any engine or performance mod to this car for certain reasons that are close to my heart, or let's just say out of fear of the mechanical consequences that comes with doing that. I've seen a lot of people on the W204 and all the Mercedes in general that have done like performance mods to their non-AMG cars, and down the line it resulted in a lot of problems. And so I learned from that, all that mistake of other people, and sorry for the noise, and decided not to do any mechanical mods to my car. That being said, I have done a lot of other cosmetic mods to my car, appearance mods, electronic mods, and all that good stuff. I'm going to start with the obvious that you can see from here. I have that aftermarket side mirrors on both sides, and I have the carbon fiber cover over that. I also have the diamond grille here, if you can see that. This set you back like $100 on eBay, or $150 depending on the seller. These are not the original headlights. I do have an aftermarket one. I've just not had that time to install that, which will be coming up later. I also have the side marker here. Aftermarket is like $20 from eBay. And of course, my wheels are not stock. These are 18 wheels from Niche. Those will set you back, plus tires, they will set you back around $2,000 or $2,500, depending on where you decide to install them. These are the wheels. They are 18-inch Niche wheels. They look aggressive, and I have Continental tires, Extreme Comfort DWS, right on top of that. They actually look beefy and they look aggressive, just how I like it. And of course, I have this sport thing here. I'll leave a link in the description. I think they set you around $20 to $30 from eBay as well. And yeah, these are sequential tail lights. These are aftermarket as well. They look like they are blacked out. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And I actually have a video of me installing this spoiler. They set you back at around $150. I've had this for over 2 years now, close to 3 years, and they are still working perfectly. These are aftermarket, black emblem logo, whatever that is, and this is still a tail light to continue here. And these are these aftermarket? No, this is actually the original bumpers, so I never changed them. I did have my top wrapped. It's been over 4 or 5 years now. They're pretty worn out. I might do or not do that, but I don't have the panoramic roof. I don't think I like it. I'm not a fan of it, but I just wrapped mine black and it actually looks nice. These trims right here, I'm not sure if yours is peeling, but I just got brand new ones from Mercedes and they were easy to install. I literally just pop them out and put them back in. It changes the look of the car. If you have a W204, you already know they're probably chopped out already. And I've replaced these for like almost 4 years now, and they're still looking like new. So yeah, that's something for you to note. These are the side mirrors. They are folding and heated. They don't have the pug light, but I do see some online that have that light there. So if you see that on eBay, you can just type W204 side mirrors on eBay and you see a lot of these pop up your way. Okay, next here, just the tires. I have the side marker here. This will set you back like $20, $30 on eBay. They are plug and play LED. They look great in the dark. Yeah, and here is my diamond grille. And then my car is actually luxury, not sport, so I just got these for like 20 bucks on eBay, and they just pop right there. That's about it with the exterior. That's about all I have with the exterior. Okay, everyone's favorite, the interior. Where do I start from? I have this carbon fiber thing. They're worn out right now. I got them like almost 5 years ago. They just peel and stick carbon fiber thing. I used to have a wood trim here. I just put the slap the carbon fiber. I probably need to replace these ones now. And also these are not, there's nothing special about these. These are just stickers or stick-on stuff. I got them from eBay. I don't think they're still available, but you could check it out. So here, elephant in the room, you already know. I have a 2021 AMG steering wheel here. I don't think the company is still making them, but you can get these from eBay. I will leave some link down in the description. These are great. I've had these for more than 3 years and I've not had any problem with it. This is my latest addition to my mods in here. The screen here, they look amazing. They are great. These are the digital cluster here. So far I've had them for like 3 weeks. I don't have any complaints. Here I have my 12-inch Android Auto display here. It's great. It does what it does. My car is a 2008, doesn't have reverse and reverse camera, and this being able to add that to what my car does just makes everything look better and overall performance that I like. So yeah, like I was saying, this is the digital instrument cluster. I really like the look and what it does to the car. Like it's amazing. You can change that cheap. There's a lot you can do with this. I'm just trying to change my view into like echo info speed meter. See, you can customize the display to your liking. It has different themes. It has a sport one, which I'm not really a fan of. It's too yellowish for me. It actually looks better in person than it does with camera, with the light flare and all that stuff. These are all scientific stuff, and I tend to like this when I'm on a long road trip. It's minimal, but I usually just run with a classic theme, which really looks nice. Shout out to the guys at Car Life Mall. They're amazing. They send it over to me. What else do I have here? Yeah, you can pretty much change a lot of settings. And one thing I really like about this is that I can't shut up about is the tire pressure. My car is a 2008 and this was not part of my features. I just get a notification when my tire is low. I don't know which one is actually low in pressure. So having this here is just amazing. This is like I have a 2024 car. So what else do we have here? So I was talking about this one. It has CarPlay, it has YouTube, it has all sort of stuff. You can get this on Amazon for a reasonable price. They're ranging from $300 to $600, depending on the configuration you have. You have the quad core, the dual core, and all that good stuff. But the basic one just works fine. This is kind of the higher end because it's 12 inches and it has quad core or whatever. It's just smoother, faster, and if you install a lot of apps, I think you want to consider getting the one with the higher specs. And what I have just decals, just T-con carbon fiber thing going on here. Now this gear knob, I've had this for like 5 years now. I actually got it on eBay. I don't think it's still available. If it's available, I'll leave it linked in the description. I've had this for 5 years. You just pop this out and pull this in there, and it's been working well for me ever since. Now this is an AMG sticky thing. You just stick it on top of your dial-in knob here, and it just makes the whole interior looks better. Moving to the top here, if you know what this is, then you know. This is the Uniden. You know what that is, you know what that does. So if it's legal in your state or where you live, then you should get yourself one. It will save you a lot of money. It also has a GPS function that I can use as well. It shows me my speed and the time, which is really convenient, especially because I like to drive low, so I kind of like to look at my speed from there. It's weird, but it works for me. I also have that antenna here for my remote start. I have the drone mobile installed for my car. It works for most Mercedes and most cars, the older cars. So I had this installed professionally. I didn't do this myself, so you can just drive your car into a shop and get that installed and get the app. What that makes me do is it makes me start my car from my phone, and I get a notification every time my car starts, which is kind of cool. So this is drone mobile, and this is my car here, so I can start my car, check my engine, check my battery, check if my engine is running, if my car is locked, and all that good stuff. So that's something for you to consider if you're looking to upgrade your W204 or any other chassis that you have. All right, so you might have noticed I have these covers here. You can get them cheap on Amazon, they're not that crazy. And of course the carpet, they will run you back $100. Just plug in your car model and put luxury diamond stitch mats, and that will come out. Right here, I just changed my footwell light to blue. I will leave the link in the description as well. Nothing special, just plug them out and plug them in. It gives you a good ambience light. My favorite color is blue, and that's why mine is blue. The seat covers, I've changed them like 4 times since I've owned the car. Just get the part number for your car interior. Take it, they're pretty easy to reinstall. Take them out, put them back. I always change them every 2 years. They rip off all the time. If you have a W204, you know that already. And yeah, so far that's my interior mod. There's really nothing going on here in the back except for the Mercedes projector light here. That as well is a cool addition as well. It's a cool, fun thing to have in your car at night, especially when you're in the dark place and you just open your door. And yeah, that's about it. That's all that's all my interior. And if I'm missing any other thing, I'll do a part B of this video. So thank you for watching. Another thing here that actually sticks out is this, the vents. Most of these cars I see, they have broken vents. You could just buy a brand new one for like, you know, $80 online and just install it. It just changes the overall look of the car, and it makes it look cleaner and more up to date. All these stickers, I'm gonna replace them. I've not just had time. Probably next summer. I like this Germany decal as well, along with the shift knobs with that red accent, red stitch, which matches my steering wheel, if you can see that. So yeah, these little things just make the cockpit a little bit more comfortable and more fun to drive. And I also like that I have this new instrument cluster as well that just tells you anytime anything is going on. You saw that, the door, and if you close the door, it closes. It shows you that the door is closed. So it actually tells you which of your tires is underinflated and is overinflated, which is actually good. I can control everything with my knobs here, and it's just amazing how much integration has gone into all of this, and it only get better from here. This is still one of my favorite cars to drive anytime, any day. So if you're in the market for a budget affordable Mercedes that will not break the bank and that is upgradable, low maintenance and reliable, I will always recommend the W204. Made in Germany between 2008 and 2014. They're amazing. They are all amazing cars, and you should get one of them for yourself. So, ciao. So there you have it, guys. If you have any other suggestions or any other mods that you've done to your car, I'd like to know in the comment below. Leave your mods in the comment, and I'll see if I can do that to my car as well. And if you have any questions, any links, just leave it in the comment. I'll try to reply to as many as I can. We have a huge community of W204 users on Facebook and every other place, so feel free to jump on one of those in your region, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.